thinkers, my name is Miss Snow, and today we're going to talk about what plants need.
What do plants need?
So why do humans and animals depend on plants so much? And how do plants survive in so many different
Wait! This frame needs more color.
Now who are you?
I am Miss Mona. That is, Miss Mona Lisa. My plants here, Pinky, Stinky, and Dinky, they all love different types of soil.
Woohoo! Plant party! Yeah! Hey, Miss Snow. Miss Mona! I see you brought Dinky. He's my favorite. So, this is Bob. And I'm Miss Information, and I just know one thing. Plants just need dirt to grow. Just dirt. Right?
So you're right, misinformation. Plants do need dirt or soil to survive, but what's so important about soil? So soil contains nutrients and water, things that all plants need to grow and stay healthy. But there's actually 3 different types of soil. We have sand, we have silt, and we have clay. And certain plants depend on different types of soil to survive. Our little friend Dinky here, Dinky depends on more of a sandy soil to survive compared to some of our other plant friends.
I do know one thing. I mean, it needs to be absolutely warm for plants to grow. I mean, take Bob here. He likes it 81 degrees only, all the time. That's how he rolls.
Plants like Bob might like warmer temperatures like 81 degrees, but not all plants require the same temperature that Bob does. Some plants like it a little warmer, some plants like it a little colder. Not all plants need the same temperatures. Did you guys know that plants are even found in Antarctica? It can get really cold there. Plants are even found on the International Space Station up in space. That's because NASA is studying how plants survive in microgravity and also to help provide astronauts with some fresh food.
Wow, this is stuff I didn't know at all. But you know one thing I do know about Bob is he serves no purpose at all. He's just here for me to look at. You know, because he's pretty. You're pretty, Bob. Bob, you're pretty. But he serves no function. He doesn't do anything for me.
Misinformation, that is so silly. Plants have so many functions. One of them, giving us oxygen, as well as a source for fresh food. Not only that, but they create resources for us like paper, for art supplies, and building materials. Not only that, but they can create a home for animals in the habitat. And they make us really happy.
One thing that makes plants really happy is water. The majority of a plant's weight or mass is from water. Now, water does a couple of really cool things for plants. Like our blood system that carries oxygen throughout our whole body, water actually helps carry nutrients throughout the whole body of the plant. Water also helps the plant stay strong and help keep its structure. If you've ever seen a really sad looking wilted plant like this, it's probably because it doesn't have enough water.
Here's the thing about Bob. I mean, look at him. He's a little spoiled. He has to have sunlight all the time. I mean, I put his sunglasses on him, I lay him out on his beach towel, I make sure he doesn't get a sunburn. See, he likes me. And you know what happens? He needs warmth. This plant needs warmth all the time.
Plants do like the sun for warmth, but the sun does another really cool thing for plants. So plants are actually called autotrophs, which means that they produce their own food. It's amazing. And they do this through a process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants take in carbon dioxide and water and they convert it into sugar and oxygen for us humans to breathe. Now, the process of photosynthesis is driven or powered by the sun.
Now it's your turn. Grab a piece of paper, some markers and a pencil, and head outside and observe what nature is in your backyard.
You can be a botanist, a person that studies plants for a living. Go outside, check out their leaves and their stems and all their structures.
What kind of colors do they have? How many veins are in these leaves? And don't forget to share with us on social media. #TheLivingThink.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. I'll give you some water. Yeah, no, hey, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel. You just have to click that thumbs up sucker down there and hit subscribe, and we will be so happy. So will Bob, and so will Miss Mona.